Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar, I mean, it definitely looks like a bottoming out pattern. I would not disagree with anybody that thinks that this is getting ready to make a very significant move to the upside. The problem is that we are literally down on the monthly, down on the weekly, down on the daily, down on the 4 hour. There's no break of structure or high or low, and we are technically still down on the 1 hour time frame. So what does that mean? That means that the same thing that happened yesterday could happen today. It could make a lower high, it could make a lower high, it could make another lower high, and it could just keep on going down. So I'm definitely still recommending shorts because the market's the only one that knows best, and the market is still telling us to look for shorts. So I would definitely still be recommending shorts. If it does go up and break and hold above structure, then at that point I would start looking for buys on pullbacks from that point forward. But until we see this picture right here, I definitely don't recommend looking for longs. If anything, I would be patiently waiting for more shorts because the trend is your friend and the trend is definitely down still. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.